Le nhlanganisela yemasha namhlanje igqugquzelwe abokufika abaqhinqe esiteshini samaphoyisa eThekwini nabathi bacela ukuvikelwa ngoba bethi bayahlaselwa. Okhulumela i-Operation Dudula uthi zingamangalihlaza izenzo zodlame ezishiwo abantu bokufika.
From my knowledge, there are no rogue elements calling for any type of violence or any type of vigilantism. We don't support that. We are a very disciplined movement and our marches are our way of expressing ourselves. So we don't use violence, we don't use any type of threatening where we go knocking on people's doors or anything like that. Those accusations are completely false.
Lezi inhlangano zinqume ukumasha nanamhlanje ukuzwakalisa ikhwelo lokuthi azijiki kumnqamlajuqu wokuthi kuthi kushaya umhlazi ngama-30 kuNhlangulana bebe bengasekho kulelizwe abantu bokufika abakuleli ngongemthetho.
Bahlaleleni e-police station ngabe bathatha imithwalo yabo bagoduke baye emazweni abo. Sizothi ukuhlala kwabo eCentral ngeke kuze kubasize ukuhlala kwabo eCentral ngoba thina sifuna ama-foreigner ahambe aphinde emazweni abo.
Le mashi ibilibangise ePaki elisePine Town ihambe yadlula nasezakhiweni ezaziwa ngokuba isidleke seyidakamizwa. Bacela ukuthi amaphoyisa angene khona akhiphe izidakamizwa.
Sithe siyama lapha ngoba kunesidleke sama-drugs. Amaphoyisa wayi ukuyolanda ama-drugs khona.
We have made numerous raids in this particular building. We have made numerous arrests in this building. But there is no leadership provided in terms of the Council of eThekwini to say that this building must be closed.
Ziyanda ke izicelo zokuthi abantu abakuleli ngongemthetho bahambe.
Asikho racism, silo nokuthi umuntu ongasideni wala ngokuphandle akahambe. Ukuthi waseMalawi, ukuthi waseZimbabwe, ukuthi waseMozambique, ola eSouth Africa with no imvume sakahambe.
Abantu abanelungelo ibona laba banamabhilidi okuhlala la endaweni yethu baneyindawo zokusebenza. Sina asinalutho, siswele sibuye sofuna umsebenzi bona endaweni yethu abagoduka.